her belly.
Well, stand her up so she'll go backwards.
No, she won't do it.
She's feeling it. Torture the poor cat.
Well, you should have seen Stella. She just dropped down and paralyzed. She's had you jiggling the screen.
She's gonna get dizzy. I want her to stand up again. There we go.
You see her stand up?
Yeah, she was standing up over there like she's walking on her hind legs.
Oh.
Take it